Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back out. Bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say
Y'all, I've been filming all day. And you know, I had to save the best for last. So, we got a wig review video. So recently, I was just scrolling through Instagram and I seen this wig from BobbiBoss. And I was like, oh my God, I want that wig. But you know, I ain't had no money. And then they had a giveaway. And the Lord was like, you know what? She need that wig. Y'all, I won my first Instagram giveaway. And it was the wig that I wanted. So, this is she. It is the BobbiBoss glueless lace wig. In the color TT Rosemary. MLF261 Camila. So they asked me which one I wanted. They had 3 different wigs in this color. And they were like, you want the straight, the curly, or like the other one? And I was like, I really want the curly. But then my mom was like, if you get the straight, you can curl it. And I was like, true. So I got the straight. And so today, I haven't opened this. I've had this for like a week now. And so I'm gonna open it with y'all, try it on, and see what it's talking about. So this is how it looks right off the package. A little card here. I'm nervous. I'm not gonna be plucking and doing all that today. It says glueless, so hopefully it's wearable right off the package. Okay. I might insert pictures. Well, it depends on when this video comes out, but I'll insert pictures when I end up wearing this out. Because I will be wearing this out. I have so many BobbiBoss wigs. BobbiBoss, y'all should just like, at this point, y'all should sponsor me. Like, I will do wig reviews for y'all because I've been buying BobbiBoss wigs since I was in like high school. So, and I have like 80 of them. Not even joking. Like, most of my wigs are BobbiBoss wigs. So, you know, hook me up, y'all. I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan. Okay. Oh, let me show y'all the card. This is the card. This is Miss Girl. And this is the back. I like the color that she got on the back. Okay. So, it's the wig. I love the color. I love the color so much. Oh my God. So, she got combs. It's a 13x4, I believe. She got 4 combs in the back. Got the little lace right here. I'm gonna have to cut it because I'm not one of those people that can cut it while it's on my face. I'm gonna have to cut the lace and then come back and show y'all the wig on. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on. I'll be right back. This wig is unreal. Y'all, I love the lace. I wish every lace was like this. I think this is HD lace. Y'all, I'm not fixing the part right now because I ain't got no hot comb or nothing in here. But it looks so good out the package. Like, I'm looking in the mirror. It's giving what lace? Like, are y'all kidding? And then it's not even as flat as it could be because underneath here I have my hair that I just blow dried. So it's kind of like not the best. But it still looks good even though I'm not like completely styling it perfectly right now. Like, what the heck? Like, hello? Hello? I'm obsessed. I'm gonna wear this wig to death. Like, and then it's so soft. Like, hello? What? Yo, BobbiBoss has been holding me down for the longest. Like, when I ain't got too much money to spend on a wig, I go to my beauty supply and he always give me a good price. And most of my wigs, like I said, are BobbiBoss wigs, and they have lasted me years. Okay, y'all, I can't stop looking at myself. I might have to flip the camera and let y'all see, but I look good, period. y'all. And then like I like when the color is like underneath, because I do like flip my hair kind of like that when I go out. Like, yeah, she's the moment. And then I can like do different things with the part when I have like my tools and stuff. So I'm definitely gonna be styling this wig more. You're probably gonna see this wig in other videos coming soon. But thank you, BobbiBoss. I love her. I want that other one y'all showed with the it was like blonde and red and black. I need y'all to send me that one, okay? I need y'all to send me that one immediately, darling. But yeah, I love this wig so much. I cannot wait to wear this with so many different outfits. My makeup is going to look amazing with this. Y'all, imagine if I even had like the tools and stuff to, because like all of my beauty tools is in another room, so I can't be bringing it in here right now. But y'all, I can do so much with this wig. I can do so much with her. And she just looks good out the box, like fresh out the box. Who do y'all know that's doing it like BobbiBoss? Come on now. I need some lip gloss. Hold on. Y'all, like, stop playing with her. Stop playing with her. Y'all, I'm gonna flatten my hair and really like work this wig, cause like, what? I cannot believe it. And it's long too. Y'all know I love long hair. Stop. Stop. Anyway, subscribe to be along for the ride. The details for this hair will be in the description. Thank you so much, BobbiBoss, for sending me this. Oh, I'm so excited to wear it. If y'all want to sponsor me, y'all need an ambassador, hit me up. Like, I've been loyal to y'all brand, okay? I'd be along for the ride. I'll be on Twitch if y'all want to watch bad movies every Monday and Wednesday. Yeah, follow my socials, all that. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Bye. Here's a video of me being all cute in the wig. You know, look at the length. Who is she? Oh my god. Wow. Oh, look at okay.